Okay, this is lesson 7, rates, problems to do with rates, and we're going to do questions 10 and 11. Question 10 is a saltwater swimming pool requires 2 kilograms of salt to be added for every 10,000 litres of water. Jones swimming pool is 1.5 metres deep, 5 metres wide, and 15 metres long. How much salt does she need to add to her pool? Well, I'm assuming it's a rectangular prism. So, let's work out the volume in meters cubed. Volume equals 1.5 by 5 by 15 equals, let's grab our calculator and move that over here, and we have got 1.5 times 5 times 15 equals 112.5 cubic meters. 112.5 cubic meters. Now we really need to convert that to liters. So there is, for every cubic meter, it's equivalent to 1,000 liters. So we times this by 1,000 and we'll get the volume of 112,500 litres in the pool. Now if I divide that by 10,000, that will tell me how many kilograms of salt we need. So I'm going to do 112,500 divided by 10,000. So how many lots of 10,000 are there? In that, and that would be, grab a calculator, got 112,500 divided by 10,000 equals 11.25. So that just tells me that this pool here is 11.25 times bigger than 10,000. So if I do 11.25 times 2, that will give me my kilograms of salt. Times that by 2, which gives me 22.5 kilograms of salt. Alright, question 11 says, the Bionic Woman gives Batman a 12-second start in a 2-kilometer race. If the Bionic Woman runs at 5 kilometers per minute and Batman runs at 3 kilometers per minute, who will win the race and by how many seconds? So with this question, I would probably prefer to change everything into meters per second. Only because the numbers are much more easier than dealing with kilometers to minutes, because we'll end up with a lot of decimals. So if we have firstly 5 kilometers for every 1 minute, I will change that to meters by timesing it by 1,000. So 5,000 over 60 will equal, and we'll grab our calculator and work out 5,000 divided by 60. It's not going to be very nice. I might leave it like that. 250 over 3 meters per second. That's for the Bionic Woman. Now, Batman is 3 kilometers for every 1 minute. So that's 3,000 meters over 60 meters, which will easily give us 50 meters per second. So that's the Batman. Now, the race is 2 kilometers long. If we use our speed formula, speed equals distance over time, and in this case we will swap this around and say time will equal distance over speed, we will work out who has the quicker time. So for the Bionic Woman, we will be doing time it takes is 2,000 meters, which is our 2 kilometers, divided by 250 over 3. And on our calculator, I'm going to do 2,000 divided by 250 over 3, which gives me 24 seconds. So it takes the Bionic Woman 24 seconds to run the race. What about the Batman? Well, T will equal 2,000 divided by 50. Now I can do that one in my head. That's nice and easy because that's just 40 seconds. 24 seconds. 40 seconds. But the other information is that the Bionic Woman gave the Batman a 12-second start. So if I added 12 seconds on to the Bionic Woman, I would get 36 seconds, which means that the Bionic Woman would win. Woman wins the race. We're by 4 seconds. That's the difference between 40 and 36, by 4 seconds.